Last week was the deadliest in Brazil's COVID-19 outbreak so far. The country reported around 260,000 cases and more than 7,000 deaths in a matter of just 7 days. The massive scale of Brazil's outbreak has been attributed to President Jair Bolsonaro's inaction. On Sunday, 1,000 crosses were placed in front of Brazil's Congress to honor the people who have died from COVID-19. The country is deeply divided between Bolsonaro's supporters who have called the Congress and the Supreme Court communist agents and the president's detractors who have criticized his fascist tendencies. Anti-Bolsonaro protests at the iconic Copacabana beach in Rio de Janeiro turned violent. Riot police fired tear gas at the crowd and detained a protester. Police were also filmed hitting a transgender woman who was demanding the release of demonstrators. LGBTQ supporters from the Pride March also joined the anti-Bolsonaro protests. President Bolsonaro is a homophobe by his own admission, once claiming that he would prefer his own son to be dead than gay. Protests were also held in Sao Paulo, calling for Bolsonaro's removal from office. Demonstrators said that marginalized groups were at an even greater risk under Bolsonaro. Despite the surge in COVID-19 cases, all shops have now been allowed to open in Rio de Janeiro. There are strict restrictions in the form of temperature checks and face masks. The public's reaction to the reopening has been mixed. Most shops remained deserted, while salons and shopping malls saw long queues.
Lá no final.